Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be taking a quick look at this 2004 Lamborghini Gallardo that is currently on sale for $89,950. This car currently has 21,163 miles from new, so it's in excellent condition. This is powered by a 5.0-liter V10 engine that is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This Gallardo is an all-wheel drive supercar with an optional 6-speed gear automatic manual transmission. This Gallardo currently have factory optional equipment that include a VRO ECU tune that added 25 horsepower that helps this to produce 518 horsepower with 375 pound-feet of torque. Now, some of the other optional feature that helps this Gallardo to stand out includes the aftermarket dual exhaust that you can see. This also has a 19-inch Superleggera wheels with updated 2009 Gallardo front bumper. This has a Pioneer head unit with Bluetooth, auxiliary input, HD radio, and Pandora with a CD player. Some of the standard features that come with this Gallardo includes the all-leather interior, the remote keyless entry Alcantara trim, automatic spoiler, sports steering wheel, and the paddle shifter. Now let me take you inside and show you what the interior is like. Now these doors are open like every other normal doors. This has very beautiful black interior with all the basic features like the old navigation system and really beautiful and soft leather seats. So what do you think about this beautiful Lamborghini Gallardo that is turning into a classic supercar? Please leave your comment in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell notification icon so that when I post my future videos you will be among to see my videos. And please don't forget to like this video so that it can reach more people. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you next time.